This is a new 2015 Ford Fusion Energy. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. The features include electric trunk, leather seats, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Ford Sync voice activation, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, memory seats, alloy rims. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, fog lights, curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
Capital Expressway Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 919 Capital Expressway Auto Mall, San Jose, California, 95136.